Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be making a moss bowl, just something to have fun with. I love industrial and greenery look. As you can tell, I like greenery. I've never made it before, so we are going to figure out how to do this together. Moss. I got this bowl at home. It was $20. It's a nice, heavy, large bowl, and so it'll have plenty of room for us to build our moss mound. These are some extra accessories I got. It came with moss balls, little succulents, and whatever these little stems are. We'll also need some floral foam to help make the mound. A couple of tools that I'll have on hand. I have a couple knives and a peeler. We'll need a hot glue gun for sure, extra glue sticks. I'm going to go through this step by step. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. I will try to answer them. Let's start with our floral foam. We'll probably need about 3 pieces, so I want to get enough to fill the inside. So that about fills the inside. One in the middle, and then we'll shape down these other 2 sides. Got my knife, and I'm just gonna cut around the bowl and try not to cut myself. So now that one side fits. Let's see if we can get this other side in. I'm just eyeballing it.
All we're looking to do here is round down the edges of the floral foam so it can fit in the bowl.
So that's not fitting in, so let's just shave off a little bit more. The floral foam doesn't have to be pretty. It's just to be a base to put all of our moss and goodies on. Now we can start carving out a little bit more.
Trimming the edges of the floral foam to give it a nice soft edge so that the moss mound has a soft grade and looks more natural.
I was originally thinking that this would be enough to make a mound over the bowl, but it's pretty much flat, so we can just make a mound with the moss. It'll be fine. If you have holes like this one, you can just fill it in with pieces that you've already cut off.
Moss will cover the whole bowl, so the extra pieces will just help keep everything from moving around.
We can even build little mounds with extra pieces, but let's get the moss and see how it looks first. Now for the fun part. I started by placing the largest piece of moss on one side. Then I took a moss ball and cut it in half to give some dimension to the mound we're making. It's just foam, so it was easy to cut through. Now just start filling in the gaps with the rest of your moss. The reindeer moss is my favorite, so that's what I'm using a lot of. I also added another whole moss ball to prop up the large piece and help create that mound we're going for. Nestle the succulent and stems into your mound, and that's it. Just remember that there's really no right or wrong way to do this. Just have fun creating something that you love. Now let's get everything glued down. You'll want to use a hot glue gun, but be careful, it gets really hot.
Just go around the bowl, glue piece by piece to the floral foam, and make any necessary adjustments. You don't need a lot of glue, we just want to make sure everything stays where it's supposed to. There are lots of other options for what you can add to your moss mound. Full disclosure, I meant to add some river rocks I had on hand, but totally forgot. I love how it turned out anyways, so I decided not to add them later, even though you can easily add things in at any time.
There you have it. We have our moss bowl. It took about 15 minutes to make. There's really no right or wrong way to do it. You just get whatever you like to go in your moss bowl. It's great to put on your table as a centerpiece for springtime. You can really keep it all year round. This whole thing cost me about $40 to make, so it's a pretty inexpensive craft to do in just a few minutes, and you have a nice centerpiece to last you forever. If you want to see more crafts and DIYs like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our page right down below. Also leave a comment below, ask me any questions you have about this project, or let me know something else that you'd like to see. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I feel like we can hear you walking around. About 40, really Otis?
Bump it. Wink, wink. Here we go.